Yeah, it is kind of steamier than a hot dog cooling off in a fridge in here. It's like it just the weather's getting cooler though, which is good. Anyway, in a previous video, I'll do this as an update to this thing. You know what? I'd say I'm throwing it in the trash. I'm not gonna try to fix it. So I did a video of trying to fix the thing, and this is just my little video update. So just to let you know, I don't know. I should just throw it in the garbage. Why bother? So anyway, I'll decide when to do that. But this video is not about that. This video is about a antique tool that I bought, and this is a made in Italy. I think I have one like this already. Okay. It's quite a nice little chop. It's really good quality. They remind me of those. What's that company again called? There's a Swiss company that makes these. They're really good. If you want to look, it's got the little latch on the back that locks. I'll show you. It goes like this. See? Locks. It's got a little knurling there, a little knurling there, a little metal spring in the middle here, which is kind of a neat. I've always wondered how the hell they made those springs. It goes out like that, and it's in pretty good shape other than the ugliness of the rust. Let me see if I have another one. I'll see if I'm pretty sure I have two of these. So hold on one second, I'll show you. See my fat head even better. Anyway, I have this one, which is the same thing. Apparently I have two of them now, which I didn't notice might have markings on it. This is the newer one, this is the older one. Can you see a difference? Can you see a difference? See. This one looks a little skinnier. And I don't know, the little blade thing, maybe, same. The back half, here I'll put the camera down. I don't know if you can see here. This one says, they're both very similar. This one may say Italy on it. There's an L there, so it might be Italy. They got the same knurling here, or whatever looks like knurling. The blades are essentially the same. These are essentially the same. This one has a basically shittier, like they didn't grind down the thing there. This one's wider, this one's skinnier. So I'm guessing, I don't know, maybe this is a newer one. Because newer ones, or maybe it's older one. So it's an older one. This one has a round screw and this one has a square one. Like a not bubbly one. This one looks like it's been fixed. So who knows? I don't know. On here, this blade seems like it's wider here than this one. I also have this one, which is German, which is very similar. It's weird, it's similar this way, but yeah, very similar, except it doesn't have whatever the hell this is right here. Whatever this part is, I don't know. It's got a little, I think this one has a separate blade. Yeah, you can take the blade off on this one. You can't take the blade off on these. Or maybe you can. No, you can't. I think the blade is on this one to rivet it on, but it's still a chop finger chopper. Yeah. It's got the same style of little latch here, identical style latches. See, this one, the little pin here is much nicer quality in there. This one's like bam and shabam. These are flat rivet, that one's flattened, this one's more of a bump. This one has a, I don't know, this one has a symbol in here, right here. Wait, is it right here? Some kind of symbol in there. Oh, Jesus. And this one has no markings, but it has A couple of dots in here. And a couple, I guess, casting marks in there. Maybe they drilled a hole and put a jig or something. Is that a hole? There's some kind of little 2 imprints here. And there's 2 little imprints in there. But they seem like they're... Ugh! There goes that one. The new one. Yeah, this one's wider. And the German ones, well, they're on the floor. So that was my new purchase. Which one was it now? There goes this one. Yeah. My new purchase is this one. Do I use these? Of course I use them. They are handy as heck. I should vapor rust them and then drop them in some, I don't know, some chemical to seal them up. Probably like whatever. Or I should try polishing them. Maybe I'll just blacken them. I don't know, heat them up and black them. But yeah, they're pretty good. Anyway, that's my big fancy schmancy spiel about these things. So don't forget to click buttons like, subscribe, and hopefully you like my channel. Thanks for watching. Toodles.